Welcome back to 1 Minute Tech, where we bring you the most accurate and insightful updates from the world of technology. Today's story takes us into the heart of a critical debate about artificial intelligence, one that goes beyond concerns about job loss and delves into something far more subtle, but potentially more impactful: the risk of deskilling and the erosion of critical thinking. Let's explore this important topic together. Arthur Mensch, the CEO of Mistral AI, has issued a thoughtful warning that challenges some of the more dramatic claims we often hear about AI. Mensch, who co-founded Mistral AI in 2023 after his tenure as a researcher at Google DeepMind, spoke at the VivaTech conference in Paris. Rather than focusing on fears of mass unemployment or automation-fueled disruption, he highlighted a different concern, what he calls deskilling. According to Mensch, the true risk of artificial intelligence lies not in eliminating jobs, but in making people lazier, as they might rely too heavily on AI to search for and process information without critically engaging with the results. Mensch's comments came as a direct response to predictions from other tech leaders, particularly Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic. Amodei has suggested that AI could replace half of all entry-level white-collar jobs within the next 5 years. However, Mensch views this as an exaggeration. He described Amodei's forecast as very much of an overstatement and remarked that Amodei likes to spread fear as part of his marketing strategy. Mensch believes that rather than wiping out jobs, AI will change the nature of work. He predicts that people will increasingly focus on relational tasks, areas where human interaction and emotional intelligence are irreplaceable. Central to Mensch's argument is the idea that critical thinking, the ability to synthesize information and evaluate it thoughtfully, is fundamental to learning. He warned against the temptation to treat AI-generated responses as unquestionable facts. Mensch stressed that effective learning depends on maintaining these analytical skills, and he called for AI systems to be designed in ways that keep humans engaged. In his words, systems should be built to keep the human active and ensure the right human input, so that people continue to play a meaningful role in decision-making processes, rather than becoming intellectually passive. This concern about deskilling is increasingly echoed by researchers studying human-AI interaction. Studies indicate that the ideal level of AI reliance varies according to the type of task at hand. Factors like how quickly a particular skill deteriorates without use and how accessible AI tools are can influence whether using AI is beneficial or harmful. Mensch's vision is one where AI supports human activity without undermining our cognitive abilities. He urges that system designers strike a careful balance, leveraging AI's strengths while safeguarding essential human skills. To better understand this balance, let's look at the models of human-AI collaboration that are shaping industries today. Broadly, collaboration between humans and AI can be categorized into 3 models. The first is the automation model, in which AI takes over routine tasks with little need for human oversight. This model is useful where efficiency and consistency are priorities, and human intervention is minimal. The second model is the augmentation model, where AI acts as an assistant, enhancing human abilities but leaving final decisions and judgments to people. This approach helps individuals perform complex tasks more effectively while retaining control. The third is the dialogue model, which fosters a dynamic exchange between humans and AI. In this model, knowledge emerges through continuous interaction and refinement, making it well-suited for tasks that require interpretation and diverse perspectives. These models are not fixed categories but rather points on a spectrum of human agency. In practice, they give rise to collaboration types often referred to as centaurs and cyborgs. In the centaur model, humans direct AI to handle specific subtasks, combining the strengths of both. In the cyborg model, humans and AI work together at every stage of the process, integrating their capabilities in a tightly coordinated workflow. Implementing these collaboration models effectively requires careful planning. It involves assigning tasks based on the comparative strengths of humans and AI, creating transparent communication channels, clearly defining who has the authority to make decisions, and continuously improving processes based on feedback and experience. Real-world examples can be found across many sectors. In healthcare, AI might analyze medical images to detect potential problems, but physicians are responsible for making the final diagnosis and determining the best course of treatment. In manufacturing, robots may perform repetitive tasks on the assembly line, while humans handle strategy, problem-solving, and oversight. The key takeaway is that the best model for human-AI collaboration depends entirely on the specific context. Automation works well when tasks are predictable and repetitive. Augmentation is ideal when tasks require nuanced judgment or creativity. Dialogue excels in situations where interpretation, debate, and multiple viewpoints are needed to reach the best outcome. As we navigate this era of rapid technological advancement, Mensch's message serves as an important reminder. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool, but it should not replace our critical faculties or diminish our intellectual engagement with the world. By designing systems thoughtfully and using AI responsibly, we can ensure that technology serves to enhance human potential rather than erode it. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Tech. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on cutting-edge technology news and insights that matter. Stay curious, stay thoughtful, and we'll see you in the next video.